Friends of Giallozafferano, today we are going to prepare together a first course that will make your guests jump on the chair. Few but good ingredients and lunches on the table. Spaghetti alla Puttanesca. I'm getting hungry. Must be the perfume in the air. The origins of this dish are disputed between Lazio and Campania. In fact, the versions are multiple as well as the legends about its origin. Let's make everyone happy with a drizzle of oil in the pan. Some cloves of garlic that I have already peeled. Dried chili that I will mince and add to the sauté. Capers and salt that I have previously unsalted. Also to these we give a rough mince, and in they go too. And anchovies and oil. I let it cook for 5 minutes at medium-low temperature, just long enough to melt the anchovies. Some stories ascribe the paternity of this dish to the famous Totò. Others to a cook who worked in a dating house in the Spanish neighborhoods, who would feed maids and customers with this sauce. One thing is for sure, what these two legends have in common is the explosive flavor of this dish. Perfect. At this point we can add the peeled tomatoes and cook them at medium temperature for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile the water boils. I've already salted it. The sauce is almost ready. What's missing is the unmistakable taste of Gaeta olives. Unmistakable purple color, their tapered shape and their flavor, they will give that extra touch to our dish. I'm going to crush them with a knife roughly. Straight into the pan. We can remove the garlic that has done its job. I finish with the fresh parsley. I drain the spaghetti directly in the pan. Quick stir. Look at this sauce. And we can serve. And here it is, our first course on the table. I'll link down below the photo recipe on Giallozafferano, where we'll find doses, step-by-step procedure, and especially the ingredients. If you liked this video, leave a nice like. If you have any questions, write them in the comments. A good old Manuel will answer, maybe. If you haven't done it yet, subscribe to the channel. Spaghetti Puttanesca. Let's see them together one day.